Hey guys, and welcome back to Living to Budget. Today we're going to do a video showing how to organize your pantry. So I got my resting mom face on. We're ready to go. We're going to go through some quick tips and tricks on how to get your pantry organized using all Dollar Tree products. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Cassie and I suffer from OCD. I'm that person. Alright guys, so this is kind of what my pantry is looking like right now. I did buy this over-the-door hanger, and it's been really great, but the problem with it is I don't have it organized. As y'all all know, I've been kind of under the weather for the past couple of months, so we just threw everything in here and didn't really have any rhyme or reason to why we were doing this. We went to Sam's the other day, and I just have a lot of stuff just all over the place. So we are gonna go ahead and get this organized, and I'm gonna show you how I do it using these bins right here. All right, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to pull everything out of your pantry. That way you can assess what you have in there and group them by category. Let's get to it. One great tip is to grab a laundry basket. Makes your job a little bit easier. Is it just me, or does anybody else have a lot of Walmart bags? We used a basket to house all of our chips. Now that your pantry is empty, go ahead and give it a good sweep. To make sure your baskets fit perfectly, you may want to go ahead and measure out your shelves. Measure the width and the depth. Also measure the height of your shelf if you're wanting to put an organizer underneath there. I know it can look a little overwhelming, but it's okay. We're just going to organize everything by category and put it back where it goes. Don't forget to get rid of any expired food, because you're going to have it. Now that you have everything cleaned out and measured, go ahead and arrange your baskets to your preference. You can change it up as many times as you want. Find something that's functional for your family. And here's the finished look. It took us about 30 minutes to complete it, and I'm just loving it. Alright everyone, so let me take you on the final tour. I am so in love with the way that it looks now. I've said in previous videos that we only shop for groceries once a week. We only buy what we need for the week, and that is it. So if it's looking a little bare, that would be why. So having an over-the-door organized, we house all of our snacks. So we have the oatmeal pies, pinwheels, granola bars. My son loves these. My husband's snacks, oatmeal, and then tuna fish up there. Have all of our chips. We have my son's candy, muffins, his puffs, and then I have some baking supplies here. We love these cakes in a mug. All of our drinks are over here. We get those from Sam's. Cookies, cereal, some pastas and chips there. In these little containers with the lids, I have tea bags and hot chocolate, some crackers, canned jam, and over here I hung up a command hook, and this is actually a shower caddy. So I have Ziploc bags, slow cooker liners, and then all of our Walmart grocery bags, because you know we always need those. I have some canned goods over here, items that we don't use often. Some canned goods here lined. I was going to do the shelf liner, but I didn't have the X-Acto knife at the time, so I'm going to come back and do this later and I'll show y'all. I have all of our seasoned packets, a container for rice. All of my pastas are stored in here. Up at the top, these are my bulk items, things that I can use to refill the containers and the baskets. Our candy. I have extra paper towels, napkins, silverware, things like that that we can use. And then some other items like vinegar and tomato juice up there. And it's pretty simple. Mostly all of these items came from the Dollar Tree. We had this Rubbermaid container left over from our closet in our camper. The basket was thrifted. These right here were also thrifted. I went to our local thrift store and I picked these up for a great price. The over-the-door organizer actually came from Holler. And then we just have our Dollar Tree baskets. So that's it, guys. You really can organize your pantry with just a little imagination and Dollar Tree items. I hope you liked this video. Please like and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.